The Northern Virginia Soil and Water Conservation District holds a seedling sale each year. The seedlings go on sale in late January or early February, and then pickup is at the end of April. This year, distribution is on April 29th and 30th, that's 2016. And this year's theme is Back by Popular Demand, featuring many of our favorites from over the years.
We have two packages that we offer. We offer a shrub and small tree package, and we also offer another package which is a tree package. Native trees and shrubs are extremely helpful for our area because they help cleanse the water, they help prevent erosion, they provide habitat, and they also clean the air and keep our climate cool. Bring with you either a bucket or a plastic bag, something that you can put the seedling package in so that when you place it in your car, it doesn't tip over and spill water all over your back seat or all over the floor.
The other thing to note is that because these are native trees and shrubs, they are adapted to the climate and the soils around here, so fertilizer actually is not necessary. Our seedling sale has helped homeowners get involved in local conservation efforts. All of the proceeds do go to support the Conservation District's educational and technical assistance programs for county homeowners.